Hey there, welcome back to Sky Finance. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for everyone's financial well-being: personal finance. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to improve your money management skills, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Part 1. What is personal finance? Before we jump into the nitty-gritty details, let's talk about what personal finance actually is. Personal finance is all about managing your money, making smart financial decisions, and planning for your future. It involves everything from budgeting and saving to investing and retirement planning. Part 2. The basics of budgeting. One of the fundamental building blocks of personal finance is budgeting. It's like creating a roadmap for your money. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Divide your expenses into categories like housing, groceries, entertainment, and savings. This helps you see where your money is going and find areas where you can cut back. Part 3. The importance of saving. Saving money is a key component of personal finance. Set up an emergency fund for unexpected expenses, like medical bills or car repairs. And don't forget about your future goals, whether it's buying a house, going on a dream vacation, or starting a business. Regularly contribute to your savings to make those dreams a reality. Part 4. Managing debt. Debt can be a major obstacle to financial freedom. If you have debts, like credit card balances or student loans, create a plan to pay them off strategically. Focus on high-interest debts first while making minimum payments on others. This will save you money in the long run. Part 5. Investing for the future. Investing allows your money to grow over time. Start by learning about different investment options, like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Remember, investing involves risks, but it can also provide significant returns over the long haul. Part 6. Retirement planning. It's never too early to start planning for retirement. Consider contributing to retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to compound and grow. Conclusion: taking control of your finances. And there you have it, our crash course on personal finance. Remember, personal finance is a journey, not a destination. Take small steps, educate yourself, and don't be afraid to seek advice from financial professionals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take control of your finances and live your best financial life.